Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a credit card refund in QuickBooks. If you've ever needed to issue a refund on a credit card, you know it can sometimes feel a bit tricky. But don't worry, we'll go through every step clearly so you can handle refunds like a pro. First, head over to the Manage Users section. This is where you handle access and make sure the right permissions are in place for processing transactions. Being on the correct page ensures that your actions are tracked accurately. Next, click on the New button. This is essential for entering a space where you can initiate a refund transaction without mixing it up with previous entries. After that, look for and click on Credit Card Credit. This is QuickBooks' way of handling refunds, allowing you to credit the amount directly back to the original credit card. Now it's time to select the payee, the person or entity receiving the refund. Make sure you choose the correct payee, either from your existing contacts or by adding a new one if they aren't already in your records. Then, choose the bank or credit account from which the funds will come. If the account isn't listed, click on Add New to ensure the refund is processed under the correct financial account. Next, enter the exact amount you want to refund in the amount field. Double-check this figure to make sure both your accounts and the customer's accounts reflect the correct transaction. Finally, click Save to finalize the refund. This makes the transaction official in QuickBooks. Always double-check your entries before saving to avoid any errors that could be time-consuming to fix later. And there you have it. You've successfully processed a credit card refund in QuickBooks. I hope this guide makes future refunds smoother and easier. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.